Hello everyone, this is Revati for Kat Scrappiness. Today I'm here to introduce a fun floral layering die set by Kat Scrappiness. For all you card makers who love floral designs, I have a beautiful poinsettia layering die set which has large flowers enough to cover your entire A2 size card front. Before I show you the product up close, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to the Kat Scrappiness channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Let's take a look at this beautiful poinsettia layering die set by Kat Scrappiness. It is a set of 6 dies, perfect to create beautiful floral arrangements for your card front. I have 4 layers of the flower, the largest one measuring 4 inches across. If you take a closer look at the die, you will notice that it comes with beautiful stitched detailing on each of those flowers. This definitely adds a lot of texture and character to our poinsettias. We also have a die which creates the leaves for our poinsettia. This one also has stitched detailing. The last and the final piece you see here is the little piece that creates the center of our flower. Here's a closer look at how beautifully and precisely these dies cut out. I have used an 80-pound red cardstock to cut out my petals. Take a closer look at all that stitched detailing on my flowers. I use my Gemini Junior die cutting machine to cut out these poinsettia petals. To create the flower, all you need to do is stack these layers over one another using a dot of glue on the center of each of those flowers. You could leave these flat and stack each of those petals over each other. For my cards, I like to have a lot of dimension. So what I do is, I kind of curl up the edges of my petals using my Teflon pencil bone folder and score tool by Kat Scrappiness. You could even use a pencil or a pen to do this, but I find that this bone folder is a lot more sturdier and it gives me a lot more control when I'm trying to fold these petals. I do that for each of the petals before I assemble the entire flower on my card front. Since I used an 80-pound cardstock, curling up the petal was a lot more easier than if I would have used a heavyweight cardstock. That's of course personal choice. The die would cut out perfectly on heavyweight cardstocks too. Here's a comparison of the curled up petals and the flatter one. You could use either one on your card fronts. For my leaves, I used green cardstock and take a look at those beautiful stitched detailing on the leaves. For the center of my flower, I used a small piece of gold cardstock. To assemble the flower, you could add a dot of glue to the center of the flower, or if you want to add some dimension to your flower, you could also use small foam squares instead. Here's a card project that I created using this poinsettia layering die set. I curled up all the petals and added foam squares between each layer for an extra dimension. I tucked in the leaves under the flower using some liquid glue. You will see how huge this floral arrangement is. This could very well be the main focal point of your card. I love this die set and it will definitely be perfect for all of your holiday projects. All the products and supplies I used to create this card are all by Kat Scrappiness. For more information on all these products and to purchase them, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.